Iceland is known as the land of ice and fire. And this mythical name, it's very easy to explain. Ice because you find amazing glaciers, and fire because they still have active volcanoes. And from the glaciers and the volcanoes to the desert and marshlands to geysers, hot water springs, they have an amazing nature. We also have a wonderful wildlife. The Iceland ponies are famous. And also, in my own case, whale spotting. So in contrast to this amazing nature, we have the cultural part of the country. The capital, for instance, Reykjavik, half of the population of the country is concentrated in the capital. And you have basically two different sides of the town. You have one a bit more traditional, then you have one very avant-garde. The first cruise to Iceland was taken by the Vikings over 1,000 years ago. But now we've done it in a much more comfortable way. And it will give you a wonderful, in-depth knowledge about the country and the area.